Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Commerce Objective Past Question 15. What money can buy in terms of goods and services is determined by the A. Exchange rate, B. Medium of exchange, C. Standard for deferred payment, D. Unit of account, E. Value it has. So we're looking at what money can buy in terms of goods and services and what it is determined by, or what it is. So option A, which is exchange rate, is the value of one currency against another. Option B, which is medium of exchange, is an intermediary system used to facilitate exchange of goods. Option C, which is standard for deferred payment, refers to the function of money as being a widely accepted way to value debt. Option D, which is unit of account, is the function of money as the value of something measured in a specific currency. Then lastly, option E, which is value. The value of money refers to the quantity of goods and services it can purchase. So what money can buy in terms of goods and services basically refers to the quantity of goods and services it can purchase. Therefore the correct answer is E, the value it has. So what money can buy in terms of goods and services is determined by the value of that money. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.